Hello, I'm Kristi Fredrickson, and today we're going to go over some of the approaches you can use with a flag, specifically riding with a flag, which can be a really wonderful thing to do developmentally for you and your horse, and the confidence that it can develop, and it can get a person better about riding one-handed. You may not use the rope too often, but you can have that flag in your spare hand, and it also will help us get the hindquarters and the front and get lighter with our rein and leg aids is another benefit you can get from that. So the thing that you'll want to keep in mind as far as the flag is, of course, to be really thorough on the ground with your flag work. Make sure your horse is not at all troubled by it. Say you should be able to take your horse out 10 days in a row and have the flag be nothing but another day at the office for him, really relaxed about it. And when you get to that point, you can start considering carrying it on board, and I'll show you some techniques and approaches that'll keep you enjoying it and minimize the risks in that. As far as the flag itself, I like using one of the commercial ones that's either the fiberglass or the metal shaft on it. There's some that are kind of like lunge whips, sawed-off lunge whips, and they don't have enough body to them to be really good to control and good to direct where it's going to go. It can inadvertently sting the horse. So my favorite is to go with one of the commercial ones. You can also make one yourself. People have used golf club shafts and fishing rods and so on. Again, I think it's worth the investment to go with one that's built by someone who has seen the pluses and minuses, has a good length to them and a good feel to them as well. So we'll go ahead and start here showing you some of the groundwork. This guy's had a lot of experience with flags, including flagging colts off him or flagging other horses individually off him. So I don't expect too much to happen here. However, it's been a while, so who knows? It may be something that kind of has him worried. So I'll just check that out since I haven't done this in a bit. The first thing I'm looking to make sure is that he has a united balanced circle here. And the flag, just like anything else, your rein, your leg, it's the feel behind it as much as it is the actual placement of it that has to do with how your horse is going to react. So I just want to bring this in really almost aimlessly.